Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 multiples and factors, which is in the page number 43 of your maths book. Okay, here we will learn about the factors, multiples and rules of divisibility. Factors. Factor is like splitting a number into parts. In other words, we can say that factoring means to express a number as the product of two or more numbers of smaller value. We know that 4 into 7 equal to 28. So 4 and 7 are factors of 28. So here 4 and 7 are the factors of 28. Okay. Similarly, 1 into 28 equal to 28 and 2 into 14 equal to 28. So here 1, 28, 2, 14 are the factors of 28. Okay. Is there any other factor of 28? No. Thus, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28 all are factors of 28. So students, here 4, 7, 1, 28, 2, 14, these are the factors of 28. Okay? Students, now let's discuss about the properties of factors. 1 is the smallest factor of a number. So 1 to hoday at a number or smallest factor hoy. Okay? A number is a factor of itself. So at a number hoday nije nijor factor hoy. Look at here student. 1 into 28 equal to 28. So yate 28 to nije nijor factor hoise. Okay. Next, every non-zero number is a factor of 0. Non-zero number means all the numbers except 0. Okay. So non-zero number bur 0 factor hoy. As for example, 0 divided by 3 equal to 0. 0 divided by 51 equal to 0. Okay. Next, a factor of number is less than or equal to the number. So factor bur hoday hoitu number tutkoi horu hoy nohole number tur equal hoy. Okay. Look at here student. 4 into 7 equal to 28. Here 4 and 7 are the factors, right? So here the factors are less than 28. Yate 4 aru 7 28 atke horu hoy, right? Now look at here. Here 1 and 28 are the factors, right? So here factor 28 is equal to the number 28, right? So a factor of a number may be less than the number or equal to the number, okay? Next, 1 is a factor of all numbers. So 1 to hokolu number or a factor hoy, okay? Next, every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. 1 or bahire hokolubur number or at least duta koi factor thake, okay? Now let's learn about the multiples. The number obtained by multiplying a given whole number by any other whole number is called a multiplier of the first number. For example, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. Since 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 2 equal to 10, 5 into 3 equal to 15, 5 into 4 equal to 20. Now look at the properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. Hokolubur number a 1 or multiple hoy. Okay? We can find as many multiples of a number as we want. So at a number or ami jiman bisaru himanei multiple ulai goi thakibo paru. Okay? Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. So at a number or multiple eta number 2 equal hoy naiba number 2 koi dangor hoy. Look at here students. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and many more. So here multiple 5 is equal to the number 5, right? And 10, 15, 20, these multiples are greater than the number 5, okay? Every number is a multiple of itself and is the smallest multiple of that number. So hokolubur number a nije nijor multiple hoy. So look at here students. 5 into 1 equal to 5. Yet 5a 5 or multiple hoise, okay? And 5 to 5 or jiman multiples ase, he multiple buror bhitorot hokolutkoi horu hoy, okay? The multiples of 2 are called even numbers and the numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. So jibur 2 multiple hoy like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and many more. They are called even numbers. Hiburok even number buli koa hoy, okay? Aru jibur number 2 multiple nohoy, hibur number ok odd number buli koa hoy, okay? Now look at this example students. Find the first 5 multiples of 7. Yate ami 7 or first pasta multiple find out koribo lage, okay? 7 into 1 equal to 7. 7 into 2 equal to 14, 7 into 3 equal to 21, 7 into 4 equal to 28, 7 into 5 equal to 35. So the first 5 multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. So these are the first 5 multiples of 7, okay? Students, now we will discuss the rules of divisibility, okay? First of all, look at here. A number having an even digit in its ones place is divisible by 2. So eta number ketia 2 re divisible hoy jetia number 2 ones or place ot thaka digit to even digit hobo, okay? Aru eta number even hobo ne odd hobo ami hetu kenekoi gom pam jibur number 2 multiples hoy hebur even number aru jibur number 2 multiples nohoy hebur odd number, okay? So look at here. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit in its ones place is divisible by 2. Look at the examples. 62. So here the digit in the ones place is 2, right? And 2 is an even number. So 62 is divisible by 2. 74. Here the digit in the ones place is 4, right? And 4 is an even number. So 74 is divisible by 2. So this is how you have to check the digit in the ones place whether it is an even or odd, okay? A number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 in its ones place. Look at the examples. 20, 35 are divisible by 5. So jibur number or ones or place ot 0 aru 5 thake, the numbers are divisible by 5, okay? A number is divisible by 10 if it has 0 in its ones place. As for example, 40, 300, 90,000 are divisible by 10. So jibur number or ones or place ot 0 thake, the numbers are divisible by 10, okay? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. Look at this table, students. These are the numbers 12, 1 plus 2, a digit dutar sum, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Is the sum divisible by 3? Yes. So 3 is divisible by 3, okay? So 12 is divisible by 3. Next, 144. So a digit ketar sum hoise 1 plus 4 equal to 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So 144 is divisible by 3, okay? Next, 569. So the sum of these digits 5 plus 6 plus 9 equal to 20. But 20 is not divisible by 3. So 569 is not divisible by 3. Next, 7351. So the sum of these digits 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 equal to 16. But 16 is not divisible by 3. So 7351 is not divisible by 3. Okay. So if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then only the number is divisible by 3. Okay. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So eta number ketia 6 are divisible hobo jetia number 2 aru 3 duitare divisible hobo. Okay. Look at the following multiples of 2, 3 and 6. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18. We notice that the multiples of 6 are also multiples of 2 and 3. Thus, a number which is divisible by both 2 and 3 is also divisible by 6. So here multiples of 6 are 6, 12 and 18, right? These multiples are also the multiples of 2 and 3. 6, 12, 18, 6, 12, 18. So multiples of 6 are also multiples of 2 and 3, right? So the number which is divisible by both 2 and 3 is also divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 9. So look at this table, students. 114, the sum of the digits 4 plus 1 plus 4 equal to 9. And 9 is divisible by 9. So 414 is divisible by 9. Okay. 56,088. So the sum of the digits 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8 plus 8 equal to 27. And 27 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. Okay. 123. The sum of these digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. But 6 is not divisible by 9. So 123 is not divisible by 9. 3457. The sum of these digits 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 equal to 19. But 19 is not divisible by 9. So 3457 is not divisible by 9. Okay. Here we have to check whether the sum of the digits is divisible by 9 or not. If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Okay. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits on its extreme right is divisible by 4. So eta number ketia 4 ere divisible hobo jetia number tour extreme right side e thoka digit duta 4 ere divisible hobo. Look at these examples. 616. So 616 or extreme right side e thoka digit duta hoise 16, right? So 16 is divisible by 4. So 616 is divisible by 4. Okay. 508. 08. So 8 is divisible by 4. So 508 is divisible by 4. So ami extreme right side e thoka digit duta 4 ere divisible hoy ne nohoy ami hetu check koribo lagibo. Okay. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last three digits on its extreme right is divisible by 8. So eta number ketia 8 ere divisible hobo jetia number tour extreme right side e thoka tinita digit 8 ere divisible hobo. Okay. Look at these examples. 1416. So 1416 or extreme right side e thoka tinita digit hoise 416. Okay. So 416 is divisible by 8. That's why 1416 is divisible by 8. Okay. So it's a number or extreme right side e thoka tinita digit jodi 8 ere divisible hoy tetia a number to 8 ere divisible hobo. Okay. So students, I hope all of you have understood the factors, multiples and rules of divisibility. So read the rules of divisibility nicely at your home. Okay. Thank you.